My new Jeep grill cover from dirtyacres.com arrived yesterday while I was out for a long hike, and I'm so excited to open it up, take a look, see how the design looks. They created the design. It was a customized Jeep grill cover, and I hear it's really easy to put in the Jeep, so you guys can join me while I do that. Orange bird, oh my gosh, he's so cute. There's the blue background, so cute. I'm gonna put that in. It says there are 6 pins that need to be removed to install the grill insert. Use a screwdriver or other flat tool to pry up the pins. Once lifted, they can be removed by hand or with a pair of pliers. How many pins? 6 pins that need to be removed to install one. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. To pry it out. So I guess that's what a pin looks like. That's a pin. There's a little spot right there to put a flathead screwdriver under and just pull it out. Once all 6 pins are removed, pull the grill slightly forward and drop the insert in. Okay, come on, grill. It's the pins and their holders, eh? The whole thing needs to come out. There we go. Get lost. Yep. I'm going to be crawling under the car for that one. Grill slightly forward. And drop the insert in. Grill insert will rest upon the clips on the bottom interior of the grill itself. Okay, don't put it on the sensor. Is on the sensor, is my guess. So there we go. Maybe a wee bit. All right, so it's resting. They do say that on some models of Jeeps, such as the Sahara or Rubicons, clip and grill rings are standard. These inserts will need to be removed for your Dirty Acres grill insert to fit best. Clip and grill rings. I don't think I have that. If you choose not to remove the slot trim rings, your insert may bow slightly in the center. I don't have bowing, and those are not slot rings. It's more like it's this. Orange bird looks good. All right, just put these things back in and we're good to go. Grill clip back in. Okay, so I'm just going to do that to each one. And my orange bird grill is in. I'd say that was pretty easy. I'm happy with the results. Thanks for joining me.
Jump into the